Perhaps the biggest challenge to successful AI is establishing trust in AI's tools and outputs. This trust differs significantly between internal stakeholders and external entities like customers and partners. And trust, once lost, is very, very hard to recover. AI certainly faces trust issues due to a number of different factors. First, complexity. Gen AI involves models, huge models, with billions, even trillions of parameters, making it very difficult for developers to explain the outputs of these models. Second, hallucinations. Open source large language models are indeed prone to generating plausible, but actually false outputs. Third, there's a question of dependency. AI models really are only as good as the training data used to develop them. And any mistakes, biases, or inaccuracies in this training data will impact the model's outputs. Finally, there's also the challenge faced by cybersecurity attacks. These are targeting AI systems and their data, and these are only getting worse, including, for example, poisoning datasets or reverse engineering of model outputs to reveal underlying training data or perhaps sensitive model parameters. So, what are some potential solutions that can be explored to address these emerging challenges?
Companies are adopting a variety of technical fixes to address these problems. Technologies such as guardrails, RAG, which is retrieval augmented generation, multi-agent models, they're all starting to emerge, and in some areas such as hallucinations, these are already showing big progress. Metrics for unacceptable outputs covering topics like toxicity, perversity, biases can also be used to track unacceptable outputs and evaluate candidate models. Embedding responsible AI principles from the get-go. In the end, however, if the output could cause harm or even offense, there is a strong case for humans to be kept in the loop. We also see larger companies adopting centralized approaches to AI governance. These come in the form of principles, practices, policies, frameworks, and even risk-based frameworks. Some are based on international standards such as ISO 42001. Others, such as the UN's Governing AI for Humanity, are based on notions of human rights. Singapore's IMDA has focused on developing sandboxes and frameworks for AI verification and model governance. To date, only one region, the EU, has imposed legally binding requirements and major penalties for AI. Most countries, including the US, are reluctant to slow down innovation in this space, given its economic significance. A few industries are looking to establish domain-specific regulations such as media and entertainment. As companies start developing functional and industry use cases, models get more complex, and trust and oversight becomes so much more important across every aspect of AI model development. There are real challenges and risks in play here, and to deliver sustainable value at scale, organizations have to think about trust right from the very beginning.
Another rapidly emerging problem is the ethics of AI, given its wide range of potentially disruptive applications. How can we make AI computations more sustainable and more ethical?
NVIDIA continuously works on cutting-edge generative AI research, promoting model security, trust, and managing hallucination. This is achieved with combinations of hardware, software, and algorithm security functions in our full-stack solution. To assist the developers, we also provide programmable, open-source NEMO guardrail software that can be used to manage model behavior in specific configurations. Solutions like RAG can be used to manage responses of a model for a specific knowledge or use case domain. Ethical AI and AI governance must be the core of generative AI application development and deployment among enterprises.
In conclusion, AI in general, and generative AI in particular, does indeed pose challenges for enterprises in terms of trust, security, governance, and ethics. The sooner companies start to address these questions, the more likely their path to AI value will be a smooth one.